everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log out from TikTok from other devices. For that, first of all, you need to go to your TikTok application. After that, click on your profile button. Now from the top right corner, click on the three-line button. Now you can see there are three options. Click on the settings and privacy option. Now still there are many options. At the third place, you can see our desired option, which is security. Click on it. So you can see at the second place, manage devices. So enter into that particular option, and now that will lead you to the list of the devices where your TikTok account is logged in. You have to just click the delete button from here and click remove, and that's all. The TikTok login has been expired from that particular website, and this is how easily you can just delete any device where your TikTok is logged in. So this is very simple, and if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.